What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Down here in my home office today, wanted to talk about the iKamper BDV Duo I have installed on my Tacoma. Let's take a look. Now, while I am an iKamper ambassador, I bought this tent with my own money. They did not pay me to make this video, and I just wanted to give you my honest thoughts. I really do love this tent. I couldn't recommend it enough to anyone. Here's why. Now the tent comes in at $2,800. Like I said, I paid my own money for this. It's worth every penny. I've gotten my use out of it time and time again. Never had any issues, and I can't wait to keep this going forward for many more years. I have no reason to upgrade it. It's such a solid tent. Obviously with the name BDV Duo, it sleeps 2 people. The tent weighs 175 pounds. Now for a 2-person tent, it is still pretty spacious. I've been able to fit 2 people, multiple dogs. Can get a little cramped when you have a Malamute sleeping on top of your legs, but never had too many issues with it. Now on their site, it says the tent sets up in 30 seconds. With the setup I have, just pop down the ladder, open up the 2 latches, and you're all set to go. So I probably save about 15 seconds with not having to set up the ladder the tent comes with, but if I ever needed to, I can. Now one of my favorite upgrades I've done to this is switching out the mattress it came with. While it is pretty comfy, I take my comfort seriously, so I switched it out with the Hest Outdoors Dually. Fits perfectly in that tent, almost like it was made for it, and it's just taking it to a whole new level. Now I've owned this tent for about 2 years now, and it's still as good as the day I bought it. No, I have 0 issues with it. I don't think I could ever not have a tent like this. It's super clean. Love the design, it's comfortable. Now the tent's pretty rock solid. For all the trails, everything I've taken it on, I don't have any rattles while driving. The wind noise is not bad whatsoever. It's kind of surprising, but hey, I'll take it. Now some of the really cool accessories you can get for the iKamper BDV Duo. Right now I have the solar panel installed up on the rig, and along with the crossbars, you can mount whatever you want, traction boards, cases, whatever you need. And one of my favorite things about it is the design of it. It's a low profile design. It's got T-tracks all the way around. Anything you need, you can mount it up with that system. Now I do think it is one of the best looking tents on the market. Every time I set up camp, pop the tent up, sit in the chair and just admire the truck. It's such a good looking tent. Now the tent's rated for all 4 seasons. I've slept in many winter environments, summer, everything in between. I love this tent. Like, I couldn't recommend it more to anyone that's out there looking for a tent. Now if you have any questions on this tent, please let me know down below. I'd love to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching my 3rd video on YouTube. It's been a fun little new journey I've taken on. Just still trying to fill it out, see where I want to take this channel, and figured a good way to start is just kind of making videos of the rig I have and what I've done to it, currently what's on it, and you know, it's fun to make these, so I'm excited to see where I can take this next. And thank you for watching.